Good morning everyone, happy Tuesday. Training some back this morning, some biceps. Back I've been struggling with a little bit, just like lifting heavy but not really getting sore. So might just lower the weight today and just really make sure that I'm moving it properly. We'll see. I don't know though, sometimes when I lower the weight and it's light, it's just like, well, what's the point? Why am I even in here if I'm just not absolutely slogging it? But we'll see. Oh, the way you look at me, I'm feeling hard to find. Fuck. Been doing like a lot of self-reflection as to why I actually started this page and why I started posting on social media, all that kind of stuff. And I think the underlying thing is that I just love helping people. I think that growing up I really lacked like a positive male role model in my life, which at the time I didn't think was a big deal, but I think subconsciously sort of suffered a little bit. And I suppose through the things that I've learnt, the failures that I've had, to then the learning, that's like stuff that I would love to share with people who were probably a bit like me and needed like a little bit of guidance but just lacked it. And I still had immense support, don't get me wrong, but sometimes as a male, when it's from a male, it can be a little bit different. Like sometimes you need that kind of positive reinforcement and that guidance. So yeah, I think that's sort of like the overarching goal here. Because obviously there's a few different pillars. There's like, I love the gym now. I love fashion, clothing. I obviously have the clothing brand. I have a love for like self-help and helping people. So it's kind of just like trying to find alignment with those three things to then be able to help other people as well. It's not about making money, not about to see some bullshit course. It's purely just about a passion for people and a passion for helping and wanting to see other people succeed as well. So yeah, just heaps of self-reflecting, heaps of learning, like on how to best do that. Just so I can be, the best possible person to provide that information for you guys. Because that's the other thing, like I've been wanting to do it for such a long time, but it's like, well, you can't really go and start helping people when you yourself haven't done the learning, haven't studied the information to like then be able to help people. So, yeah. Gotta go up. R&B this morning, chat. So good. It's more like it. Ooh. The biggest thing with the gym that people don't really realise as well is obviously it's about getting in shape and looking good. That directly correlates with like a better self-esteem, being happier, all that kind of stuff. But it's also a gateway to just so many other positive things, like developing the habit of just getting in here, training hard to failure every single day, remaining patient while you don't see progress. Like all of these things are completely applicable to your life, no matter what you do, your job, aspirations, whatever. And I think that's what I neglected for such a long time. I was like, oh, I just don't want to go gym because, you know, like I'm just cause I don't even know why. And then I was like, how much better everything else in my life got by just developing those habits, developing those behaviors. Yeah, I wish I had done it sooner. So just, yeah, remember that all the principles it takes to get in here and get in here consistently are completely applicable to everything in your life. Do not want to do this at all. But I'm in the bread with a club. Fuck off. Full transparency as well, I fucking hate pull so much. Purely because it's hard. I find that like pushing the weight away from your body is so much easier than like pulling it towards. It's just always like a 10 out of 10 RP every time I do push. But nothing would be that hard if it wasn't good for you, so. Come on. Fuck me. Fucking weak, huh? Be sure to do these heavy traps. Too light, fuck's sake. 13. I stop wrapping in me offended. Guys, you have to be training your abs. For the longest time I was just like, yeah, clean diet and you'll get abs. They'll show, but like any muscle, like your bicep, tricep, whatever it is, if you want them to like fully pop, you've got to train them. Mine don't do that fully just yet, but definitely a lot better than what it was. Because yeah, like for myself, for other people that I've kind of spoken to, everyone just thinks like clean eating, which 100%, like I'm not neglecting that, that helps. But if you're wanting them to look like muscular, you've got to train them just like any other muscle. Literally all you need is hanging leg raise and cable crunch, that's it. None of this crunch bullshit, pulsing, like, I don't believe in that. My humble opinion. If you want to do that, but literally cable crunch, hanging leg raise. Dragonflies as well, if you're brave enough, all you need. I use the wraps as well just to make it a bit easier to grip it. Pause. Fucking AirPods is so shit. My God. That is the session done. We did lat pull down, machine row, T-bar row, incline curl, rear delt fly, preacher. I swear there was something else, but I'm forgetting. In summary of what I was speaking about earlier, really the biggest thing that I want out of this is just to be able to provide value for people, whether that's people starting out getting into the gym, wanting to start a brand, young males just wanting to be better. Like, that's what it's all about for me. Again, like I said, it's not some cause, it's not kind of some pyramid scheme. I know how difficult life can be, and I know how mean the world can be, not to be pessimistic, but it's like we all need to kind of lean on one another and support one another through it. I think for so long I just neglected receiving any support, and I just thought, you know, I've got to make it all happen on my own, and it's just purely not possible. Any successful person, any person that's reached their goals or their ambitions, they have a team of people that have helped them get there. And I would love to be a part of that story for anyone. So yeah, if you ever see this video, see a video of mine, need advice, need support, like please reach out. I'm always here for anyone, anything. So yeah, thanks so much.